Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Metapixel from WordPress, detailed guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Metapixel from your WordPress site, begin by logging into your WordPress admin. Once logged in, navigate to the plugins section on the left sidebar. Click on Installed Plugins to view all the plugins currently active on your site. Look for the Metapixel plugin in the list. When you find it, click on the Deactivate link below the plugin name. After deactivating, the plugin will no longer run on your site, but it still remains installed. To completely remove it, click on the Delete link that appears after deactivation. A confirmation message will pop up, asking if you're sure you want to delete the plugin. Confirm the deletion by clicking Yes or OK. Once deleted, the Metapixel plugin will be completely uninstalled from your WordPress site. Next, check your theme files to ensure no remnants of the Metapixel code are left. To do this, go back to the WordPress dashboard and navigate to Appearance then Theme Editor. In the Theme Editor, search for the functions.php file. Look for any custom codes related to Metapixel within this file. If you find any code snippets associated with Metapixel, carefully remove them. Make sure to save your changes after editing the functions.php file. Finally, clear your website's cache to apply the changes. You can do this by using a caching plugin or through your hosting provider's control panel. Once the cache is cleared, visit your site to confirm that the Metapixel has been successfully uninstalled. That's it. You have successfully uninstalled the Metapixel from your WordPress site. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.